Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shaista. So, welcome to my channel friends. Today we are going to make such a great animation in Scratch, and that is we are gonna make star in Scratch. This is the very simple project for Scratch beginners. So let's see the preview of this project. So let's click on green flag. Done. Now see the code of sprite. I have taken this sprite, the cat, and the backdrop is XY grid. I took this backdrop because the star will be in center. You can take any backdrop as you want. And the code for backdrop is this, and for the backdrop is this one. The sound is there. And for cat, this is the simple code. We are gonna use the event block, pan blocks, motion block, looks block, and also different blocks. So let's save this and create new one. So let's click on file, click on new. So before starting this project, let me tell you friends that if you didn't subscribe to my channel or you are new on my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon too to get more videos. Okay, so let's start. So today we are gonna not delete this sprite cat. Today we are taking this sprite cat, and the backdrop we are taking is XY grid. You can take any backdrop. So let's see where the XY grid backdrop is. Yeah, here it is. So I have taken this XY grid, and now let's click on. So now let's go in event block and take when the green flag clicked. Whenever the green flag clicked, what will happen? We will go in the extension and we will take pan extension. And first of all, whenever we will click on this, whatever is drawn on our screen, on our notepad, that will delete, that will erase all. So for that we are using pan block, and then go on motion block and choose go to X and Y. So we are taking to move this sprite. So let's take it this one. So X we can take as 1 and Y we can take as 130 because it have to draw from right to left, up to down. That's why. Now go on looks block and take set size. So I'll be it 60%. I don't want much more big size. You can take as you want. And then after that, take say hello for 2 seconds. So instead of hello, we can do let's start like this. So this will be done, and now let's take this hello. So we will write here let's start. So I have taken this, and now click on go, and then do it for only 1 second. We will click here for 1 second only. This will say let's start only for 1 second. Then go on pen block and take pen down because we want to draw the line. So that's why we will take pen down to move our sprite to make the star. After that, take the color whatever you want. I'm setting the paint color as pink or whatever I want. So let's take it be pink or something else. Let's choose it. Yes, so I have taken pink color, and then I will go in motion block and I will choose glide block. So I can take this X and Y position glide block. I will take total 5 glide blocks because there are 4 lines to draw star. As you all know, we used to make 4 different lines in different direction to make star. So the glide will be only for 1 time, but the position of first time of X will be minus 90. So let's do it minus 90, and the Y will be minus 100. It will be in negative side, so it will go on left side. Then X will be 150. Now it will come back on the positive side on the right side, and then Y will be 50. It will go down at 50 centimeter only. and then x will be minus 150. So let's take x will be minus 150. So you can see here minus 150, and the y will be 50. We are taking the same on y position in the third step also. Now x will be 1 as it is, and y we can take as 130. So we have taken y 130, so let's take 1 as b 90, and in the last step we will take it 1. So here this will be 1 and the y will be 130 as well. So first, as you can see properly, first of all we have taken glide 1x, 2x, minus 90 and minus 100, then 150 and 50, then minus 150 and 50, 90 and minus 100 I think I should do, because it will go in too much in negative. So that's why I've taken here minus 100 and then 1 and 130. Then in the last we have to go in looks block, and again we have to take the save block, and it will say only for 1 second, and in last it will say done. It will say as done, and then click on go. After this, save till here. So we have done the code of our sprite, as you can see. Now click on the backdrop and take event block. From event block, take when the green flag click. Then go on sound. I don't want this pop sound, so I'll delete it, and I will go on sound and I'll choose loops block. From loops I will take the sound as I want. So let's see which sound will be good for this. Let's listen. Yeah, we can take this classical piano sound. So I will go in looks block, and then I will choose play sound classical piano until then. So whenever I will click on this green flag, it will be sound for one time only, but until the project will done. So let's save it, and then let's go in the pen block and erase all whatever it is, and then go on full screen and see. As you have seen, we have done this project, and the sound is also there, the speaker and the sound is also there. Even it's saying let's start and done also, that means comment is also there, and also it's making the proper star in the center, and the sprite is also moving. So friends, this is all about today. This was the very simple and innovative and easy project for scratch beginners. So if you like my today's video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much.